Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off location sharing on your iPhone without someone knowing. Let's get started. Normally, if you stop sharing your location from Messages or Find My, the other person gets a notification. But there's a simple trick to avoid this: turning off location services completely. This disables your location for all apps and people without sending any alerts. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services at the top. Now just toggle location services off completely. Confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it. This way, your location is off and no one will know you stopped sharing it.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.